Hey everybody, a Wild SJ here, and I am extremely excited to be sharing a brand new project with you. Stay tuned to the end to find out how you can be involved in this project. Some of you may know that when I came into the community, one of the things that I talk about on my streams occasionally was van life. Well, due to some circumstances in my life, I had to move out of the van I was living in, but that didn't take away the dream. I started to dream up ideas about how I could be mobile and promote HEX and bring more eyes to the community. There are so many different ways to reach out and have conversations with people about HEX. Imagine you're at someplace like the Float Fest that happened in Texas just this last summer, and you see this gigantic bus covered in HEX designed wrap. You're wondering, what is this? What's HEX? Like, why are they here? So there's a lot of different non-HEX events that we can go to and have attention drawn via the bus. Of course, once Pulse Chain launches, what I'd love to do is also join the KSB.TV team, following them around in this HEX bus and be as much support as I can. Part of my vision is to take this bus around the country, going from place to place, featuring a different Hexican who has the skills or abilities to be a part of this build. If you have a small business and you think that there's some way that you can or want to contribute to leaving your mark on this HEX bus, then how awesome would it be if through this series we get more eyes on your business, you get more contacts, and more people hear your name. There are tons of people who love watching these kind of build your van and van life videos. I really think that we can get more eyes on HEX by doing this step-by-step HEX bus conversion featuring Hexicans all over the nation. Part of what I really want to emphasize with this project is that I want to start to document who in our community does what. I really love the whole idea and mentality behind a gifting economy, right? There's a cycle of giving where you're able to do something and I'm able to reciprocate in such a way that we each exchange value with one another. As a great start to this project, the first person I get to feature, who's a great friend and Hexican, is Chris Side Effects. He's a mechanic. And what we're gonna do is he's been helping me check out this bus. We're gonna find out what it needs to get running. And in exchange, I am going to provide a photography session for him and his partner and their beautiful cats. If service project and skills exchanges excite you, this is absolutely something that I'm looking to partner with people on and bring more eyes to not only the Hexicans in our community that have these different skills and businesses, but hopefully bring other people into the HEX community who maybe have never heard of it, but hey, they want to know how to build a cabinet in a van. So we're going to do something like that. Step by step, we're just going to document every part of this process. It's going to be educational, it's going to be fun, it's going to be Hexy. Definitely reach out to me on social media. You can find me at AWildSJ all over the place. I'm also going to leave this note here that highlights all of the different skill sets that I have that I can offer. And I'm going to leave right here a list of all of the different skill sets or professions that I think would be beneficial to help with turning this into the Hexiest bus ever. So I hope that you will consider joining me on this journey and we can build something really awesome together. We're going to just start with what we got, right? I am super excited to be highlighting the skills and talents of more wonderful people in this community. Take care, y'all.